Hi ma'am, what's bad?
Ito, matcha peanut butter.
Anything else ma'am? Hi ma'am, what's bad? Hi ma'am, what's bad po? Bali 2 only ma'am?
Chocolate na.
Yes ma'am. Would you like to add anything else? If you get minimum 600, you get a free cake ma'am.
What cake?
Moist cake siya ma'am. Would you like to see it?
Yes lang.
Para siyang lava cake ma'am. Hi ma'am, what's bad? If you want ma'am, you can reorder next time. If no, but I'll just give you a flyer.
Online store.
Meron din po ma'am. Then may website na rin ako. You can directly order in cake. Tapos i-deliver na po namin. Bali,
Chocolate blueberry.
bali 260 lang lahat ma'am.
With third items naman, 100 na lang. Si coffee ba? Baka gusto mo i-try mo. Hindi rin siya ganun katamis na. May coffee feeling siya sa loob. Blueberry cheesy. Yes. Oh, yeah. Yes. Best seller din namin siya. Blueberry daw. Bali
640 pa ito. So,
Try natin.
ito po yung blueberry ma'am.
Ay, okay na?
Apo, nabawas na. Thank you ma'am.
Salamat.